Well, the summer countdown continues. We only have 4 days until the official start of summer, which will be this Sunday on June the 21st at 12:38 p.m. A nice day today, but it didn't feel like summer. We saw less of that humidity and also cooler air mass in place. But right now, very sunny across the Great Lakes, especially here into the Upper Peninsula. But looking off to the north and west, noticing more of that rain and clouds over into their neck of the woods. That will continue to work its way eastward. Now, it doesn't look to be quite as organized as it is back into North Dakota and in South Dakota and Minnesota, but we will see some of those showers as we get into tomorrow. Tonight looks to be mostly clear to partly clear as the clouds move in throughout the evening, and temperatures a little cooler as well with the cooler air mass in place, maybe dropping into the 40s. But right now we are at 61 degrees, lots of sunshine, humidity only at 36%, and winds coming out of the north at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures in the lower 60s across Marquette, and seeing more of the same as you go closer to Ontonagon and also into Ironwood. 65 in Ontonagon, 63 in Ironwood, a little cool in Houghton at 53 degrees, upper 60s in Crystal Falls and in Florence, 68 currently in Menominee. Farther off to the east, lower 60s in Munising, 66 right now in Escanaba, Ishpeming right now at 61, and 66 over into St. Ignace and Nassau at 65 degrees. Our winds coming in from the north, so that has brought in more of that cooler air mass that we have seen throughout the afternoon today. Most of us only in the upper 50s right along the Lake Superior shoreline at 7 in Houghton, 10 miles per hour in Escanaba, and at 9 miles per hour in Munising. But winds look to die off below 5 miles per hour as we head into the evening with clear skies. That will help to drop those temperatures back into the 40s. But as we head into tomorrow, we do expect that winds will shift and we'll start to see a little more of that humidity on the way for us. Temperatures across the state a little cool right along the lake shoreline, 66 only in Traverse City, 67 in Rogers City, but farther to the south and east, as you get away from that effect, especially with the northwesterly breeze, you'll start to warm up a lot more. Flint at 79 and at 81 in Detroit. So for us tonight, it will be quiet. It looks like the rain does hold off until tomorrow, and as the rain does make its way closer to the region, we will see maybe a few isolated thunderstorms, and showers will be also on the lower end as well. Not as great a chance as what they're seeing back off to the west as this system does work its way in. But temperatures remain below average. We saw it today, and we'll see it more tomorrow with highs only in the upper 60s, maybe the lower 70s. We should typically be in the low to mid 70s around this time of the year. But we're looking at the system making its way out of the northern plains with more of a organized shower and thunderstorm activity as they go back into South Dakota and Minnesota. But by the time it reaches us, it won't be as organized, and we'll only see those spotty PM thunderstorms coming in during the evening, and more of that humidity is on the way as well. If you enjoyed today, probably not going to enjoy it so much tomorrow, but it doesn't look to be that warm for us. Here's a look at your FUTURECAST model. We'll expect sky to go from partly clear to mostly cloudy, and then expecting more of the rain to come in heading into the evening. But once again, you'll notice that the large mass of clouds and rain that was in place just off to our west won't be as organized as it reaches the Upper Peninsula. It will work its way through as we go into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, and by tomorrow night, just more of scattered clouds throughout the evening for us before Thursday will once again provide a very small opportunity for rain. Tonight we'll drop down to 44 degrees, increasing clouds, winds very light for us, and on Wednesday, isolated rain showers for us. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour at 66 in Alliance, at 70 degrees in Crystal Falls, calling for the upper 60s in Ontonagon and Houghton at 68 and at 66 degrees, middle 60s in Escanaba and Manistee at 65.